Hello, this is how you create HTML content using D2L. So first we're going to go down to here, and then we're going to go to Content, and then Table of Contents, and here we are at Homework. We're going to go ahead and create a file. So from here we can enter our title, and we can go ahead and add different heading styles and whatever to the text. Things like that. You can bold, italicize, underline. Basically it acts as though or similar to a word processor. And we can obviously change font size there, and we can change foreground color. And then over here we can also add in tables, and here we've got equations. So most of all the tools that you need are here. Up here is the one that you'll probably be using frequently. That's links up here. Quick link, symbol, line, all of that good stuff. Alright, well I hope this was helpful to you.